Good morning guys, today we've got here Huawei Enjoy 70X and let me show you how to change the theme on this device. So at first open the settings, then find and select home screen and style and mark themes. And here just pick the one that you wish to apply. You can tap on particular one and check how it looks. Then change the symbols in this particular option. Here it's a bit more smoother because you've got just the color options. Then you can choose also the magazine layout here. Just pick whichever you like the most. And I'll go with the interactive one, maybe this one. On skip, then select download and apply. Okay, so as you can see, you need to have your network connection active. So let me go with another one that is already downloaded, the basic one, for example this one. Tap on apply and it will be done. Obviously any other right after a download will be applied as well. So this is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.